Hello, I welcome you to this channel Deepak. In today's episode, I have tried to give you information and important comments on how to polish your teeth at home. Hopefully, the people here will support us till the end. Now to the subject matter. In today's 21st century, even though many dental services are available, you will find in this video how to improve your simple lifestyle and some habits, take care of your teeth, make them germ-free and shine. Some of the things to follow are as disinfectants and natural cleansers. 1. Acetic acid, which is the main active ingredient in vitamin C, neutralizes bacteria. The antibacterial properties of vinegar make it useful for cleansing your mouth and whitening your teeth. Shows a rapid effect on the dirt layer on the teeth. However, this vinegar helps to soften and disinfect teeth. The main source is found in vinegar, lemon, orange, grape, kiwi, banana, zucchini, tomato, etc. Excessive use of acetic acid can cause enamel damage to your teeth. For this reason, you should not use cider vinegar per day. You should do a limited amount of cider vinegar polishing. That is, only 3 times a week is enough. To use it as a mouthwash, dilute it and rub it in your mouth for a few minutes. Be sure to rinse your mouth with water. 2. Try changing your eating habits by eliminating foods and beverages that contain tannins such as wine, tea, coffee, juice, and dark sodas. The acid in citrus products can also enamel your teeth. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide should be used more. Plaque builds up on the teeth and removes a layer that makes it easier for bacteria to settle. Mix 1 teaspoon baking soda with 2 teaspoons hydrogen peroxide to make a paste. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water after brushing it. Blueberries, blackberry, pomegranate, soda are barbecue sauce, herbal tea, black tea, treat, sweet marinara, curry, turmeric, consume more paprika, etc. Cheese, milk and yogurt. Calcium rich, all these help to strengthen tooth enamel and appearance. Coconut, celery, broccoli and carrot. The friction and rough friction of these foods removes texture stains. The sulfur found in raw onions stops the formation of plaque. There is also a public fact that regular apple cider vinegar helps to increase the shine of teeth. Strawberries. The acid found in strawberries naturally removes stains hidden on the teeth. 3. In addition to all the harmful side effects of smoking, the tar and tobacco products found in nicotine can cause tooth decay in smokers. So, if there is no reason other than in vain, do yourself a favor and start lighting the lamp of the mind. Not only will your teeth look good but your breathing, heart and lungs will also be healthy. Plaque is formed when bacteria from food and drink particles are not properly cleaned from the teeth. Yellow coating on your teeth more often can form around your teeth if you don't brush adequately and thoroughly. Avoid dark liquids such as red wine with black coffee or water. It takes 300 seconds for the pigment to enter, so drinking water with your coffee or wine will help wash away any stains. Milk tea reduces the ability to increase tooth stains. Tannins, which are the staining compounds in tea, bind to a substance known as protein in milk. This protects your enamel from staining. Sadly, this does not apply to coffee, as tannins are not responsible for your late-induced tooth decay. 5. Warm salt water. Whitening your teeth naturally and taking care of you helps. Mix salt in a cup of cold warm kettle boiling water, cool it, and use as a mouthwash. Salt acts as a natural antibacterial agent by attacking bacterial cell walls. Doing this at least 3 times a week can help in the development of teeth.